The topic for oral presentation number 2 is what is geology? Geology is the study of the earth, the materials of which it is made, the structure of those materials, and the processes acting upon them. This includes not only how earth is today, but how it has changed over its time. Since geology starts and ends with earth, it is fair to start with how old it is. The outer crust of the earth is roughly 4.5 billion years old. The outer crust is the outermost layer which all humans are walking on. There are 4 total layers. The layer directly under the crust is the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer of the earth and is the reason the tectonic plates move. Next is the outer core, which is composed of liquid metals due to how hot the temperature is. The fourth and the most inner layer is the inner core. The inner core is 4,000 miles below the crust, and the temperatures could reach 9,000 degrees. Before the countries and where their land masses are today, they were all actually together. The theory of continental drift starts with Pangea. Pangea is an idea produced by the continental drift theorist Alfred Wegener. Although the continental drift theory is gone today and has been replaced by plate tectonics, Pangea and all of the land masses being together is still believed to have happened. The reason this has been possible, the reason this is believed is there were fossils found in Africa and South America that were the same species. It would not have been possible for the animal to swim across the Atlantic Ocean. Wegener studied other plants and other animals and realized Pangea was in fact there. It existed nearly 240 million years ago. The plate tectonics have shifted, causing the Earth's land masses to move as well. As far as geology goes, today I am interested in it because it affects everyone every day, since all humans are on Earth. One interesting topic I want to learn more about within geology is earthquakes. Earthquakes are devastating, but they have a lot to do with the Earth's tectonic plates. There are a total of 7 major plates, and they are Africa plate, Antarctic plate, Indo-Australian plate, Eurasian plate, North American plate, South American plate, and the Pacific plate. Last Thursday, an earthquake happened in Mexico City, Mexico, with a magnitude of 7.1. This has killed nearly 300 people to this point. The magnitude classifies as a major earthquake, making it the second worst type. Another one of my interests that has to do with geology is the ocean. Geology affects the ocean and people of society today. When an earthquake happens in the middle of the ocean, some may think it is a good thing because there are no people around. However, this is false. The earthquake in the ocean can lead to horrific waves causing a tsunami. One area where people here in the United States may be affected by an earthquake would be California. The Pacific plate that I mentioned earlier lies right under Southern California, which means there's potential of an earthquake there. Something that I've learned since starting this class would be the forming of the Rocky Mountains. On a previous assignment, we were given a link to a National Geographic video and article. In the video and article, it explained how there is a new theory describing how, despite not being on a major fault line, how the mountains formed. Geology has a wide range of subtopics within it. Over this class, I'm looking forward to learning more about each one, just as far as fossils with dinosaurs, how the dinosaurs lived back over millions of years ago. But that's pretty much what geology is. Many people think it's just rocks and rocks for jocks, as people say, but it's much more, it's much deeper, and I'm looking forward to learning more about it.